Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 305I, and today I will show you how you can put this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and select power off once it's visible. There we go. And when the device turns off, hold the power button and volume up at the same time. This will then boot us into bootloader, from which we can access Fastboot mode. So once you see the screen, you can let go of these two buttons, and then using only volume up, you want to select the middle option, which is Fastboot mode. So just make sure that the arrow is in the middle, and then press volume down to confirm it. And there we go. That is how you'd boot this device into Fastboot mode, which you can see right here now. Now to leave this mode, I believe we either need to hold the power button or power button and volume down. I'm gonna try just the power button first. So once this disappears, you can let go of the power button and the device will boot up on its own. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.